10th Standard Maths, first chapter, Relations and Functions. Last year you have studied about set, ma'am, isn't it? What is a set? Set is a well-defined object. Set is a well-defined object. The concept of set is extended in two forms. That is our topic, relations and function. The concept of set is extended in two forms, that is relations and function. Here, today we are going to study about first topic, relation only. I am going to explain about the first topic, relation. From the word itself, we can understand what is relation. Everything on the earth almost is built up on certain concept. Nothing exists alone. Everything is in relation with everything. Is one such aspect, and this aspect endorses this chapter, relation and function. So then, what is a relation? It involves a pair of objects in a particular order. Relation involves a pair of objects in a particular order. That is a concept. I will explain the pair of objects. How will you pair the object? First of all, we have to know about the ordered pair. What do you know? What do you mean by pair of object in a particular order? It is a ordered pair. What is the ordered pair? So from this, we can understand what is ordered pair. Ordered pair is a pair of elements which are used only in a specific way or in a particular order. The ordered pair is a pair of elements which are used only in a specific way or in a particular order. I will explain this with example. Say 1, 3. I am going to plot the point 1, 3 on graph. Do you know how to plot the point? You know. You have studied in 8th standard, 7th standard itself, isn't it? So, I am going to plot the point 1, 3. How will you plot it? The first point represents the x coordinate, and the second point represents the y coordinate. So, 1, 3 is plotted as like this, 1, 3. Similarly, I am going to plot the another point 3, 1. Is these 2 points are same? No. The numbers are same, but their positions are not same. So 3, 1, here the x coordinate is 3 and y coordinate is 1. How will you plot the point here? Like this, 3, 1. Hence these 2 points are not same. This is the ordered pair. Understand? So these 2 points, these 2 orders are not same. Next one, we are going to study about the next topic, Cartesian product of the sets. Cartesian product. This is a new word for you, isn't it? Cartesian product of two sets. What do you mean by Cartesian product? It is a set of all ordered pairs of elements of two sets. Formula is A cross B equal to A, B such that A belongs to A and B belongs to B. Here the important point is A and B are two non-empty sets. What do you mean by non-empty set? Non-empty set means null set. There is no element inside in the set. Non-empty set means there is at least one element. The set consists at least one element. That is a non-empty set. So A and B is not a null set here. Hence, the two sets A and B is a non-empty set. Then, the Cartesian product of these two sets is represented by the symbol cross. A cross B. You should read like this, A cross B. This cross doesn't represent the multiplication symbol here. A cross B equal to A comma B. This point, A comma B represented in a ordered pair form. A comma B, where the first element belongs to the set A and second element B belongs to the set B. These two sets are non-empty sets. This is the formula for the Cartesian product of sets. Cartesian product means set of all. Set of all means the ordered pairs are written in the set form. Set of all ordered pairs of elements of two sets is called a Cartesian product. I will explain this with example. Consider the set A as 1, 2, 3 and the second set B as A and some C. So the set A consists element 1, 2, 3 and set B consists elements A, C. We are going to find the Cartesian product of these two sets A cross B. What is A cross B? We have to write the element in the ordered form. The set of all ordered form is the Cartesian product, you know. How to write is, the first element is paired with the first element of the set A is paired with all the element of set B. Here the first set is A, no. Therefore, the element of A is paired with the element of B. How will you pair this? 1 comma A, 1 comma C. Written in the ordered form. 1 comma A, 1 comma C. And then 2 comma A, 2 comma C. Next one, 3 comma A and 3 comma C. Written in the set bracket form. Hence, A cross B is equal to 1 comma A, 1 comma C, 2 comma A, 2 comma C, 3 comma A and 3 comma C. These first elements belongs to the set A and second element belongs to the set B. Here, the first set is A. Therefore, all the first element belongs to set A. Similarly, we can find B cross A, the Cartesian product of the set B and A. Here, the first set is B. Therefore, the first element of the ordered pair comes under the set B. Here, the element of B is A comma C. Hence, the first element is A. Second element comes under the set A. Therefore, we have to write the elements in the ordered form A comma 1, A comma 2, A comma 3. And then C comma 1, C comma 2, C comma 3. First elements are from the set A, B. Second elements are from the set A. So B cross A and A cross B. See the answers. Is these answers all equal? They are not same. 1 comma A is not equal to A comma 1. I already explained to you. These two pairs are not same because elements are okay, but their positions are not same. Hence, these two Cartesian product are not equal. A cross B is not equal to B cross A.